buzz, a buzz. Bees, bees, a bees, bees, bees. Weave, up in the trees.
I don't want to appear concerned, Tigger, but...
Oh, you're doing great, Piglet. Just keep your petals up.
But the bees are tickling my...
Now for the finishing touch. Hello in there. It is I, the ghost of Long John Cottontail. I've come for my treasure. Ooh.
Yeah, phew.
Do you like the flower arrangement, Rabbit?
A very nice arrangement, Piglet, but it needs some flowers. Now, I want daffodils, daisies, and jonquils, but no dandelions.
Dandelions, daisies, and jonquils, but no daffodils.
She'll be here any minute.
Here are the dandelions you asked for, Rabbit.
No, not dandelions. Dandelions make me... No. I will not have this party ruined.